Hello. It's IT from the IT Open Box channel. I buy stuff I like, and I share it with you. Today, I have the Ergotron HX desk monitor arm. About this item. Choose a monitor arm that's as adaptable as you. With the HX desk monitor arm, you can easily reposition large monitors weighing up to 42 pounds, 19.1 kilograms, using patented constant force technology. It enhances your workspace with a sleek design, and it's BIFMA Level 2 certified based on the arm's low environmental and social impact. To use this arm with the ultra-wide, curved Samsung 49 Odyssey G9, add the accessory HX heavy-duty tilt pivot. It offers ergonomic monitor positioning using patented technology. Saves space, places screen in the best view to tackle each to-do. Sleek build, cables stay hidden under the arm and through the extension. Rotation stop, avoid hitting walls with a rotation stop on the base. Quality design, built for thousands of movements by passing 10,000 cycle test. Screen 49. Capacity 2042 pounds 9.1 19.1 kilograms. Lift 11.5 29.2 centimeters. Tilt 11.5 29.2 centimeters. Pan 180 degrees. Rotation 360 degrees. Warranty 10 years. Let's install it. I have an Ikea desk, and I will need to secure my 32 monitor. I will use a little piece of wood as extra support. You need to adjust this part to your desk width and add the piece of wood. Assemble the rest of the arm and use the tools provided to secure it. It's time to install and secure the monitor. It looks awesome. Thanks for watching.